Hey everyone, welcome to Couch Potato. I'm your host Mayank Anand, and today I have with me a very good friend, Abhishek. We met at a Zoom show last year, I'll say, and we became really good friends because we both are huge stand-up comedy fans. Like, we listen to a lot of Indian stand-up comics and a lot of outside like comedians outside Asia, so hello Abhishek, and
Hi, Mayank.
yo, so tell my audience something more about yourself. What do you do? And
With respect to comedy, I'm a huge fan. As an
Yeah.
audience, I like to watch a lot of comedy.
hmm.
Uh, I think I've covered a lot of content last year online, and that's how I started exploring all the comics.
Hmm.
Uh, that's what I can say about me with respect to comedy as an audience.
So देखना कब चालू किया था पहली बार स्टैंड अप?
Okay, so first of all, what happened is last year, March, when the lockdown happened, so I was stuck in a 3 BHK apartment alone.
Wow,
तो
3 BHK.
मुझे
You are a
बहुत
rich kid.
no, it was in Bangalore back then. And then क्या हुआ कि me and a group of friends were living in a PG, and सारे फ्रेंड्स घर चले गए थे उसके पहले. दे एक्सपेक्टेड कि लॉकडाउन होएगा ऑन ऑल, एंड दे वेंट. मेरा काम की वजह से आई हैड टू स्टे बैक, एंड आई बिकेम रियली लोनली. और मतलब फैमिली से भी आप बात करते हो तो कितने देर बात करोगे? एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू रन आउट ऑफ टॉपिक्स समटाइम्स, and people who are extroverts need people to talk with, right?
Yeah, that I can relate to.
तो ऐसा हुआ था कि आई थिंक वन फाइन डे आई वाज लाइक चलो पेटीएम इनसाइडर पे देखते हैं क्या क्या है. देन आई शॉ 2-3 शोज, ऐसे ही ओपन माइक थे. देन मैंने सोचा कि देखते हैं, एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. लिंक आया, देखा, एंड इट वाज लाइक वेरी नॉमिनल अमाउंट, 20-30 रुपीज़ का शो था. आई वाज लाइक इतने नए यंग कॉमेडियंस है यार. इट वाज गुड, इट वाज रिफ्रेशिंग. That's how it started last year, to watch comedy on Zoom.
That's nice. So I mean, why do you watch comedy? Like, what is the idea behind you watching stand-up comedy at any time?
I think because if you want to watch a movie, then फिर उसको IMDb पे सर्च करो, उसका रिव्यू देखो. नहीं तो फ्रेंड से पूछ के लो कि ये अच्छा है कि वो अच्छा है.
सबसे पहले होता है आई थिंक कि मूड बनाओ कौन सा जॉनरा देखना है, वो चूज़ करो सबसे पहले. फिर जॉनरा में जाके मूवीज़ देखो, फिर मूवी सेलेक्ट करने के बाद उसका रिव्यूज़ देखो, फिर दोस्त से पूछो. वो मतलब वही जो पूरा प्रोसेस है वो पूरा फॉलो करो, उसके बाद मूवी देखो. सो आई थिंक है थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक प्रोसेस है जब तुम स्ट्रेस्ड होते हो.
तो थोड़ा और स्ट्रेस में डाल देता है. एंड इफ़ यू आर वाचिंग समथिंग विच इज़ अ साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर और डार्क, वही तो और स्ट्रेस में डाल देता है. मूड खराब ही हो जाता है
और दिमाग लगाना पड़ जाता है.
या कॉमेडी इज़ लाइक जस्ट सर्च अ नेम, एंड सर्चिंग नेम्स इज़ वेरी इजी. एंड उसके बाद if you have not seen the show of your comedian before, then obviously there will be a lot of surprise elements. And you will be laughing all the time. उसके बाद एटलीस्ट ढंग से सोते सकते हो. You will forget, at least for that 1 hour, you will forget that pandemic is going around.
Yeah, that is really like so true. I mean, one thing that I agree with is that comedy, I think, has become the greatest source of stress buster in the past 3-4 years.
I 100% agree with you for that.
Because I think one thing that is given to us, like थाली में परोस के दे दिया जाता है as audiences. तुम्हें पंच लाइन दे रहे हैं, तुम्हें प्रेमाइज दे रहे हैं, तुम्हें सब कुछ दे रहे हैं, तुम्हें बता रहे हैं कि ओके ये जोक था, हंसो करके. All you have to do is laugh. You don't even have to essentially apply your brain to understand anything. That's how easy it is to grasp comedy nowadays. Because लोग दिमाग तो लगाते ही रहते हैं यार हर जगह. मतलब इतना IQ सब में, बेसिक IQ सब में है कि समझ पाए कि पंच लाइन किधर आता है और कब हंसना है. इतना भी नहीं आता तो भाई फिर सो ही जाओ. सो जाओ, बेस्ट है तुम्हारे लिए.
कितना ही सोएंगे. at one point of time you'll get bored of sleeping, and you also know कि pandemic में sleep cycles
अरे
तो ऊपर नीचे हो ही
यार
जाते हैं।
सुबह के 5 बजे सो रहा हूँ भाई मैं, मेरे को पता है। एक मिनट, ये बोल।
तो उससे अच्छा है मतलब एक शो वो देख लो मस्त एंड यू रिलैक्स और फिर सो जाओ।
हाँ वो तो है। सो राइट नाउ एज यू सेड कि ऑब्वियसली पैंडेमिक की वजह से लाइव शोज जब बंद हुए तो जूम स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड लाइक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू सेड द वे यू केम अक्रॉस इट वाज, तुम गए बुक माई शो पे एंड यू जस्ट लाइक पेटीएम इनसाइड बुक माई शो इन सब जगह पे गए and just started finding is anyone into online shows, is there anything available, right? That's the first idea.
I was actually searching for a source of entertainment. Then उधर मुझे देखा कि हाँ कॉमेडी जूम पे भी हो रहा है, एंड तभी बहुत फ्रेश था, लाइक आई थिंक मार्च 2020 पीपल आर जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग बिकॉज दे अंडरस्टूड कि दिस इज अ लॉन्ग गेम। अभी हाँ वैसे
इंडिया में एक बार आया तो वो लाइक यार चाइना में ही 4 महीना चला है कोविड, तो इधर 4 महीना तो कम से कम
चले या, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई डिस्कवर्ड कॉमेडी ऑन जूम।
And then I think slowly it became a staple, right? Because बीच में स्टार्ट हुआ था फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद थोड़ा लाइव कॉमेडी स्टार्ट हुआ, बट देन जूम डिड नॉट स्टॉप, दैट्स हाउ इट वाज, राइट?
Oh yes, I'll agree because see, thing is, live is very good. Live and Zoom experiences as an audience, I can tell that थोड़ा different होता है। But आप ऑफिस से थक के आए हो, फिर से बाहर कोई वेन्यू जाना है, उससे अच्छा घर पे एक बियर लेके बैठो तो सेट है, मतलब you're all set.
Yeah, so I think Zoom is one of the place, मतलब Zoom shows are like तुम कहीं भी हो तो यू कैन अटेंड दी शो, बस ऑनलाइन जाके टिकट खरीदना है एंड यू विल बी एबल टू वॉच विच एवर कॉमेडियन यू वांट, यू कैन वॉच ए शो इफ ही इज डूइंग अ जूम शो, दैट्स हाउ इट इज, राइट?
Yeah, and you don't need to worry about the money because you have ample amount of variety. All you need to have is an internet connection. तो जियो तो दे ही रहा है
हर जगह दे रहा है ब्रो, अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे BSNL है बहुत गंदा, बट ठीक है काम चल जाता है ब्रो, हो जाता है सही है। तो right now how many like comedy circuits essentially are doing Zoom shows, you know, as such?
See, I actually जब मैं start किया था, what happened is, see what happens during the show is they announce that you can follow the comic or the comedy circuit. So once you start following them on Instagram, automatically you'll see their stories, and that's how you'll start exploring. That's how I started exploring the online comedy scene.
Yeah.
वैसे मतलब मैं जब फर्स्ट ओपन माइक देखा था, आई थिंक 20-21 ईयर ओल्ड यंग चैप्स, लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी, यंग गर्ल्स यंग बॉयज़ कर रहे थे, इट वाज गुड, सो आई फॉलोड देम, देखते हैं मतलब कैसा रहेगा मटेरियल एंड ऑल, एंड देन अभी एज ऑफ नाउ आई थिंक देर आर, आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर, बट देर आर मोर देन 20 कॉमेडी सर्क्यूट्स दैट डू ओपन माइक्स ऑन जूम और ऑनलाइन.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So like,
and
there'll never be a I mean I think कमी नहीं होगी कभी शोज़ की, राइट?
शोज़ की कमी नहीं है, अगर आप शेड्यूल बना रहोगे तो सुबह से शाम तक यू विल बी अटेंडिंग ऑल द शोज़, और लाइक आफ्टर 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock because that's when people
start watching
the
stuff.
shows. Yeah,
that
तो
is true.
फिर because दिन का काम खत्म हो गया and all, you want to relax yourself. तो तभी स्टार्ट करोगे, तो इफ़ यू स्टार्ट इवन बाय 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock you will be watching shows till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night.
That's nice, dude. I mean,
because I think some of the shows start at 11 in the night and go till 1:30.
समा बन जाता है ब्रो पूरा, आई थिंक रात
yeah,
को वो वेन्यू पे नहीं कर सकते तुम। 11 बजे रात का जो सीन है वो वेन्यू पे बहुत मुश्किल है। लाइक अगर सब आसपास सारे 30-50 लोग जितने देख रहे हैं सब आसपास रहते हैं तो ऐसा 1 बजे तक बिठा लो, उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लेकिन फिर घर पे माँ बाप है, किसी के बीवी रह रही है अकेले, कुछ हो रहा है, जाना है उसको वापस, ये सब सीन जूम पे कोई सीन ही नहीं है। बेडरूम पे बैठ के आराम से मस्त चिल मार के देखो।
All you need to do is have a headset.
Exactly, that is true.
So that you don't disturb the comedians while they are performing.
So lots of हाँ
क्योंकि
बोलो.
what happens कि like somebody is performing and पीछे से किसकी माँ चिल्ला रही है तो it is one kind of heckling
Bro,
only, right?
bro, you won't believe, like मैंने अभी YouTube चालू किया ना, तो there have been streams and there have been recordings जहाँ पे you can listen to my mom screaming my nickname like जॉलू करके चिल्लाती है. And I feel like I should make that one of my factors of my YouTube. जब भी कोई वीडियो स्टार्ट होगा ना, उसके स्टार्टिंग में my mom will be shout like जॉलू and I'll be like हाँ काम कर रहा हूँ, like that will be the clip and then my thing starts, my video starts. I feel like I should make that my trademark. समझ रहे?
Yeah. बट या आई थिंक अभी तो सबके पास स्मार्टफोन होता है तो जूम पे कॉमेडी करना एनीबडी कैन डू इट लाइक इफ यू आर फनी इनफ. यस.
Yeah, I mean I've tried myself, तो I can say
Okay.
कि हाँ ओपन माइक्स तो है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं लोगों के लिए, और शोज़ भी
हाँ.
इतने हैं कि भाई तुमको जो करना है करो यार. अभी ऐसा सीन हो गया है, सब घर से बैठे
Yeah.
बैठे मिल रहा है तुमको. बेस्ट पार्ट है. सो टेल मी समथिंग कि लाइक 20+ जूम्स लाइक कॉमेडी सर्किट्स हैं जो जूम शोज़ करा रहे हैं. एनी न्यू वंस दैट यू नो अबाउट.
Yeah, actually, two of my really favorite ones is ABC, I Bade Comics, and Sodium Atom, because I was there when ABC production house was formed. Like, not I was there with them. I've seen their journey.
हाँ, I understand.
और सोडियम एटम के साथ भी वही टाइम पे उनके साथ भी मैंने उसका जर्नी देखा है. सो एज पर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू जूम माय पर्सनल फेवरेट्स आर दिस बोथ ऑफ देम.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like in both the circuits there are really young people, I think 21 22 years old. They have really great content coming out on Zoom as of now, because I was shocked in ABC. मैं जब पहला बार ओपन माइक देख रहा था 100 members audience were there and I was like that's a good crowd pull for a
Yeah.
online Zoom show.
Yeah, I mean you don't even get that at a lot of venues dude. लाइव शोज़ में भी 100 लोगों का कैपेसिटी के लिए काफ़ी बड़ा वेन्यू चाहिए होता है एज सच. काफ़ी कॉमेडी क्लब्स का 30 to 50 कैपेसिटी होता है. CLC नोएडा भी जो मैं मेरे साइड पे था जब था, लाइक इट हैड अराउंड आई थिंक 30 का सीटिंग कैपेसिटी था उसका. इट कुड गो अप टू 40-45 मैक्स.
Yeah.
अगर क्रैम करना है तो मैं किसी अच्छे कॉमिक का शो है, ज़्यादा टिकट्स बिक रहे हैं तो. So I think 100 is a great number to actually do a show or attend a show.
Yeah, and they do it at a very premium price. Both of them, I think, bought discounted price where they give you tickets and all. And you will see a lot of young comics coming around. So as audience members, you will be always have a surprise element कि कौन नया आने वाला है. Even in open
Fresh
mics
faces, lots of fresh faces.
or the paid shows what they organize. वैसे.
That's great.
Yeah.
So, like, what kind of comedy can people expect? Because
On Zoom?
हाँ, मतलब लाइव शोज़ में ऐसा था कि फिक्स था, कि लोगों को पता था एज सच, एंड क्या मिल सकता है क्या नहीं मिल सकता है. आई थिंक जूम के साथ वो वैरायटी इंक्रीज भी हुई है कहीं ना कहीं.
Yeah,
So what do you have to say about that?
It's more that you have a lot of variety. Only thing is which kind of content do you like. You have to choose that. Or else if you're a real comedy fan, then you'll end up watching most of the shows.
Yeah, I mean, if
But-
you appreciate humor more than anything, then
Yeah. I have seen Daniel Fernandez who does dark humor a lot. And usme he has a mix of crowd work also. So that's really good. And Anshu Moore ka Ek Hasina Thi is a really nice storytelling set,
yeah,
I've heard. And obviously, recently I think I watched Puneet Panya on No Country, No Moderation.
Panya is
What a
the-
writing. What a writing.
Yeah, Panya is like one of the greatest writers in the industry, I suppose. Like the kind of I think punchlines he writes, nobody in the industry can like match him. when it comes to
I
that.
can tell that's true, but like you can't compare any comedians because
Obviously,
they
yeah.
have their own content, they have their own way
Speciality.
of doing things.
Yeah.
Yeah. you can't compare comedians who are diametrically opposite, or you know,
हाँ,
वैसे
I agree.
your purpose and audience is कि जाओ, you have a great time and then come back to your normal life which you keep crying about.
Yeah, dude. I mean, and I think as audience, one thing that I'll suggest you guys is if you actually wanna be recognized or you know feel as a stand-up comedian, like as a stand-up comedy fan, one thing that you need to do is go to a lot of open mic shows, because open mic shows are something that help fresh talent come up. Okay, so
Yes.
if you actually want to experience stand-up comedy, like that is a huge chunk that you're missing out on, you know, because अगर established comedians की बात करें, तुम उनके बीट्स यूट्यूब पर भी देख लोगे, ठीक है, तुम्हें पता है कि वो कैसे कॉमेडी करेंगे, तुम्हें पता है कि क्या पंचलाइंस आएंगे, उनका क्राउड वर्क कैसा होगा, लाइक किस वे में वो करेंगे, वो सब तुम्हें पता होगा, यू नो, यू विल हैव अ फेयर एनफ आइडिया एज टू व्हाट यू गोना एक्सपेक्ट, यू नो, व्हेन इट कम्स टू एस्टैब्लिश्ड कॉमिक्स. बट ओपन माइक्स में क्या होता है कि यू डोंट नो what kind of people are gonna come, you don't know their faces. Maximum you will see is, okay, you might know their faces and names from posters अगर you follow a comedy, you know, production, and like poster उन्होंने डाला है तो तुम देखोगे, but you do not know what to expect. So you go with an open mind, you are ready to experience anything, and I think that's one of the best parts of stand-up comedy, right? Open mics nowadays.
Yeah, I think what you're saying is, yeah, if you're going for a established comedian show, he has his own way of
Yeah.
doing it.
Yeah.
तो you know कि उसका कैसा रहेगा delivery and all,
हाँ.
or whatever the genre in which he's doing.
Yeah.
But when you go for an open mic, obviously it will be a very new surprise element
Yeah.
that you haven't expected any time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I feel all these established comedians as well have gone through this
Of course,
hard
yeah.
road of open mics, and then
Yeah.
they have become really famous.
That's the reason. I mean, what I mean is, like, I don't mean to say कि established comedy मत देखो. That is like, तुम वो देखोगे ही, मुझे वो बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है तुम्हें कि तुम जाके देखो उनको. But open mics are something जहाँ पे I need to push people, and you need to tell people कि yes, go there, because there's lot of fresh talent out there. As you said कि you yourself have sometimes attended open mics and come across like young comedians who have so much writing power and such amazing punchlines, you know, and they deserve that appreciation, I think, you know.
Yeah, it's mostly like a lot of young people, dude. Like when I see their enthusiasm, I was like shocked. मतलब इतने young age में जो writing कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
मैं खुद as a audience I was like बहुत सही है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's that. And also like we were talking earlier, and you said that something there's something known as after party or something like that.
Yeah, actually, okay, I'll tell you the story. What happened is, I knew Daniel Fernandez ka material, like I've seen his material on YouTube, but I like till last year I could never attend his show because थोड़ा तो difficult हो जाता है to go to the venue and all. But still, I was following him since long. तो he had announced a online show, and then I started watching his online shows. In one show, what happened is, after like all the material and all the show was done, so he had left the Zoom call, but the crowd remained. And people were so lonely, मतलब इतने lonely थे कि we just started talking randomly कि चलो बात करते हैं what happens and all, and we ended up talking till 6 a.m. in the morning. That's how lonely everyone was.
How many people were there on the call?
I think 25-30 people were there on the call.
Damn, dude, that's a lot of lonely people to meet just in one night. मतलब एक रात में इतने लोग अकेले.
It's not lonely people, I'll tell. It's like
I understand.
We're going through a pandemic basically.
That's what I mean, bro. I mean, I was just kidding. Obviously. That's nice. And
अगर like by mistake if you're stuck alone, कोई बात करने के लिए नहीं है and all, and then that's how the after party scene started.
people have started calling it after party, dude. That's crazy. I mean, wow. The meaning of after party, how it has changed over time. Amazing. Just
Yeah.
amazing.
But
So-
yeah, some of them have become really good friends. I never expected that I'll make such good friends online as well.
Yeah,
So-
I mean, even we became friends on a Zoom show, so I
Yes,
can imagine.
yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
So that's what the after party scene was.
So I think another perk of these Zoom shows that have come up is you meet a lot of like-minded people, I guess, to hang out with. Suppose you are free someday, बाद में कभी free हुए, ठीक है, तुमने already बात की हुई है, तुम्हारे पास इन लोगों के social media handles हैं, you can plan shit
Yes.
and you can play something online, you can talk about something online. That's really nice, I think.
Yes, yes.
You get to experience a lot of good company, you know, even after the show. That's a takeaway, sort of.
I'll agree. I'll totally agree for that.
Yeah, that's nice. So what about the frontline workers, dude? Like, they're working overtime. Is there anything for them, you know, essentially for them?
Yeah, recently I've seen that a lot of established comedians as well as the open micers are giving free tickets for the frontline workers or the COVID warriors. That's a very good thing they are doing because इतना stress हो जाता है in the process
Obviously.
for anybody.
Yeah.
So I think for 1 hour they can have a very good laugh and go into a different state altogether.
Yeah, I think it refreshes their minds to a level where they can give their 100% again after that break, the next day when
Yeah.
they go back to work. So that's a huge plus, I guess.
For that, yeah, I'll really thank all the comics for
All this.
sure.
So thank you, everyone. I think we have given you a fair idea as to how you can experience stand-up comedy pandemic edition, you know, that's what I'll call it. And times are very depressing, times are very, very pessimistic right now, I suppose. And there's hardly any hope left, I guess. You know, this condition, the situation we are in, there's hardly any hope left, and we're still hanging in. So I guess whenever you get time, and if you are in that state of mind where you can actually give some time to for a stress buster, for a great stress buster show, go to a stand-up comedy show, get yourselves refreshed and have some laughs. I think it's very important right now, you know, this the times we are in. It's very important to laugh right now, whatever way possible, I guess. You know, whatever way possible. So take care, stay safe, and stay indoors. Okay. Obviously there are curfews लगी गए हैं हर जगह, so बाहर जाना भी है, कोई एसेंशियल लेने हैं कर्फ्यू के पहले, तो डबल मास्क अप करो, डिस्टेंस रखो, एंड टेक केयर गाइस. थैंक यू. काउच पोटैटो साइनिंग आउट.
Yeah, मैं कुछ बोलूँ नहीं.
बोलो 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 बोल दो भाई.
अरे
उसके बाद
it's
कट
the only thing is that at least for the Zoom comedy show you don't need to wear a double mask or a single mask.
एग्जैक्टली यू कैन स्टे AC में बैठ के तुम देख सकते हो शो यार. चिल मारो, मस्त एकदम चिल मारो, शो देखो.
Only
मजे
thing
करो.
will be by, you know, bring your own drinks.
I mean, what can I say? कहीं जा नहीं रहे ना, तो bring कैसे ही बोले, मतलब bring your own drinks to the bedroom if you have any in the fridge. That's the whole phrase right now. If you don't have anything, पानी रखो साथ में. कभी बहुत ज़्यादा खांस गए हंसते हंसते, तो पानी पी लेना भाई. इससे ज़्यादा
But-
क्या ही.
Be a little careful. अगर you know पानी पी रहे और suddenly laugh आया तो
टाइम करो गाइस, पानी पीने को टाइम करो. पंचलाइंस के जैसे टाइम करते हैं ना कॉमेडियंस, यू हैव टू टाइम योर water drinking sessions and all, like breaks and all that stuff too.
no, imagine your sibling is sitting or your mom and dad are sitting and suddenly you're drinking water and ऐसे पी रहे हैं and suddenly he cracks a punchline पूरा.
गया भाई गया. So that's as you see, you know, Zoom shows can also turn into a nightmare, so beware. That's just.
Yeah.
So take care guys. Couch Potato signing out, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, these are the 3 magical words of a YouTuber. I'm a simp, you know, officially a YouTube simp and a content nerd. So take care guys, have fun, and I'll be back with another podcast soon. बाय.